This is Wilma. Wilma is a monkey, more precisely a long-tailed macaque. She lives with her family in the lush jungles of Mauritius, a tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean. Paradise? One day, Wilma gets caught in a trap. Her family can only watch helplessly. Instead of roaming the jungle, Wilma will spend the rest of her life behind bars. Sometime later, Wilma gives birth to a son. His name is Rudi. By law, only the offspring of non-human primates captured in the wild is allowed to be used in laboratories, just like Wilma's son Rudi. But the parents also remain in captivity. These monkeys don't only come from Mauritius. Many are bred on monkey farms in Cambodia, Thailand, and other Southeast Asian countries. As a young monkey, Rudi is still deeply attached to his mother, but he is torn away from Wilma and sold to a lab. Rudi survives the long journey to Germany, despite fear, hunger, thirst, and heat. Many others don't make it. Every year, between 2,000 and 3,000 non-human primates are used in German laboratories alone. Wilma and Rudi are long-tailed macaques, also known as crab-eating macaques, and they are among the main victims. But rhesus macaques, marmosets, baboons, and other monkey species are also subjected to experiments. Labs are constantly hungry for new test subjects. Many monkey species are already threatened by shrinking habitats. The additional pressure from the animal trade for research is pushing some of them, including the long-tailed macaques, to the brink of extinction. After many stops, Rudi finally ends up completely exhausted at LabCorp in Münster, Germany's largest consumer of monkeys. Up to 2,000 non-human primates a year are used here alone. In these labs, chemicals and other substances are injected into the animals' veins or pumped into their stomachs. Every day, often for months. Even pregnant monkeys are subjected to these experiments. At the end of the test series, the animals are killed. In brain research, some monkeys suffer for 10 or even 20 years in labs. There are still 8 primate brain research labs in Germany. There, holes are drilled into the monkeys' skulls and large devices are screwed onto their heads. The animals are strapped into primate chairs, their heads immobilized, and they are forced to stare at screens and operate levers. If they do what's expected of them, they get a small amount of fluid. Researchers call it a reward. But it is only due to the thirst that the primates endure these tortures. For years, even decades. Other monkeys are infected with diseases like simian AIDS or malaria. Baboons have pig hearts implanted in them. The animals die in agony from organ rejection, sometimes within minutes, sometimes days or weeks later. These experiments on our closest relatives are not only cruel, they are also completely unnecessary. They don't help human patients. Even in such a closely related species, lifestyles, metabolisms, organ structure and function vary significantly from those of humans. That's why results from such tests are useless. They can't be applied to humans. Instead, human-based testing methods, like mini-organs grown from human cells, are useful. For example, mini-brains have been developed to study schizophrenia, autism, Alzheimer's, and brain tumors. By combining several mini-organs on a multi-organ chip, chemicals or medications can be processed just as they would be in a human body, producing useful, accurate results. Monkeys belong in the jungle, not in laboratories. Medical progress is important. Animal experiments are the wrong way.